This implementation will streamline every touch point of the employee lifecycle from hire to retire, while equipping our leadership with real-time insights for our strategic workforce planning. At Ruby Health Clinic, we have always believed that excellence in patient care begins with empowered, engaged and well-supported employees.
Being a hospital of this size with 3 units, our duty schedules, working style are all complex. For years, we have worked through traditional systems, manual follow-ups and paperwork that, let's be honest, sometimes tested our patience.
One of the key features we are excited about is the workforce planning module. This will help us better understand our current manpower, plan for future needs, and align our hiring with actual business requirements. It's a shift from reactive to proactive HR.
With KEKA, training need identification will be seamless, as I will be getting the performance review as well as the manager feedback, and the training needs identified on the same platform together.
KEKA has helped us in streamlining the talent acquisition process for large organizations
by automating tasks and centralizing information and providing data-driven insights. HRIS systems help organizations in attracting, assessing and onboarding top talent effectively in the manpower processes.
KEKA HRMS platform is simple, smart and efficient. It will streamline attendance, leave and shift management all in one place.
Now since KEKA had launched, all payroll work has been automated, all the compliance will also be taken care of.
Now with KEKA, we have got automated processes which is going to help and going to shape the life of all the employees in the organization with a lot of efficiency and transparency.
The launch of KEKA is a pivotal step in our digital transformation journey, one that brings together operational efficiency, data-driven decision-making and employee-centric processes under a single intelligent platform.
We are positive that with KEKA, all of that changes.